So my people, I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So we have Blamdem, my people. I give Ice Colio a serious message, and if him not listen to the message and stop the way I do, them say who can't hear I go feel. So me I say him himself come out, Ice Colio himself come out and say Blamdem our wicked little boy, our evil little boy. So him better take him own advice when it come to Blamdem. Seeing Blamdem also say him a go show him face tomorrow. You know what I mean? So we are safe that I go happen for real. And tell me people, when I feel like say if him show him face, him support I go drop or what? When I feel like him finish show him face or no, type in at the comment section, right? We also have ivany. You know what I mean? A little thing almost make she and Raja kick off, cause Raja link her and make she know what is what, cause she make a comment, she say some things about a competition where them do, like she won't say I say Raja wrap up the money and whatever, something in the sort there. You see me? And Raja page her, you know what I mean? Link her and make she know say him never like what she a say about him. But you don't know them TikTokers are more while them ramp rough, cause at the end of the day them a friend. You know what I mean? But make me know what you think when you watch it with people. See? We also have Shibada. I talk about the interview with RT do with Tasha K, right? And you know what I mean, cause basically in that interview there it bring down spice. You see me? And upon a level my people love drama, people love pasa, but them now go really go to the extent where you want them to go. You know what I mean? Feel like don't like a person because you come talk some bad things about them, it no go so. You know what I mean? Me don't feel like say RT boss can't ever get people to dislike Spice. Maybe get a few people for not like her, but the majority him can't do that. You see me? So we're gonna get in these things, my people, and maybe add more things as we go along. So the lion man, my people, wanna not see the video with him and Ashley? Yo, my blood clot, him have one picture out there with him lying down on a bed to blood. People, they don't lie. Channel, the lion man, we don't know if it's about to be a man. I don't know the voice and opinion in the comment section. Who don't see the video with him or the picture them, I think it over. Them site there. It up on the site where the youth own, the youth from where my Rosealee did that inner things. Yeah, they up on the site there. So we could get into the rest of things with people.
We are jump on the live and you just show them the man.
No, everything good. He might look friend. Yo,
I look friend.
Yo, damn, circle me after.
Eh?
Just stay up on the live when I did it, bro. Yo, nah. Jump off, no man, you jump off, no dog.
So what me fi do? Just come shoot for you, where you say?
Yeah, just shoot for me, bro.
Alright. Cool. Presidential compound. The man they are me change up the weather Trinidad, them no bad, them similar to Pedda. Real that stepper with no waistbands, brother. Man a lodge that in your face, they a capper. Wall some capper, little boy, you no matter. Back a scapper. Right there, so we a clap them maca. Yo, paper, no go stream me song, man. I want Blamdem, man. Reach out, man. Reach out. Ice in the wrist, ice and reach out. Hey, yo, reach out. Right now, man, not fucking up. Paper, you no go stream me song, bad man. Cause if you me turn something, people. You see, time me do fuckery, you no support it. Some wanna support me music to people. You see me? Wanna support me song, them feet there. They talk about them reach out and then reach out in a man. And me reach out for true. It's a paper. Me dey on vacation, you see me? Me remove this here. Cause me don't want a man feel like I know man me a bash. You know top set. A little batty boy go suck your mama and top send me request now. Dog, me no like some little boy we a send man request, you know, man. People, listen to me. A vacation me depend me there Bahamas and listen what I wanna do. I wanna go up on my bumbuckler YouTube and type in Tamily Reach Out and me produce it, Blamdem. I want to know bumbuckler support it. You see me? Yeah, so what I wanna do, I wanna support me. You see me? I wanna support me, bro. Cause I say when me do fuckery, wanna support me. So when me do good, wanna support me to same way. You get me as a people? I wanna support me in a good to same way, dog. Cause right now, me not doing no fuckery, bro. You see me? Me not doing no fuckery, I music me a deal with. You see me? Me get me hype. And me want to turn me hype into something good. Me can't there support fuckery every day, dog. You see me? Me want to turn me hype into something good. Me have a hype and me have a little platform, bro. And me want to turn into something good. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, dog. Me want to turn my platform into something good, bro. So if you me now get up every day and give you the mix up every day. Me like it too. Me don't like mix up like I want. Me like it. I mean, I say me now go tap come mix up. Me I do mix up same way. I want some little boy tap call me name. Some little Rasta boy. You see me? Tap follow me up and call me name bad man. Cause if I go and call me name my friend, you not gonna like it, bro. Tap call me name, cause music me I did just like you too. So tap bad mind me, bro. So all our program you. If you call me name, then you need to tap. You see me? Yeah, dog. Music bad man. Music bad man. So when I send you tap follow me up bad man and tap call me name. Music me I deal with. So people listen to me, go support my song Reach Out by Tamily. I'm out. Presidential compound. No boy man. Reach out man, reach out. Ice on my wrist, ice on my mouth. Reach out. Reach a fuck. Right now man not fucking up. Suck on the mother, rich Blamdem reach out. I'm out. I'm right out. Tomorrow me come back live, people. Me I come back live, me I show myself. People, me I go show me like myself tomorrow. You see me, people? Me I come live tomorrow and I will be showing myself. You see me, people? So no go get to see me. Cause me song me I come promote. You see me? Yeah, dog. So me wanna come out, me I go show myself tomorrow. Probably in the night or probably in the evening. At night me come live, people. So no screen record this ya. On the screen record this a paper. On the screen record this a paper. Me I go show myself tomorrow. So no come out, come rare. Cause me, you see me, cause me have some good things to tell you to see me. You see me? Yeah, dog. So here me want to just come out, come support me. Code. Ersker. I want Blamdem man, no other one. You code. Ersker. Me see paper, don't feel like me not say what I go on. Me say everything what I go on. So all the selector boy we a call up my name, bad man for clout. You see me, man a program if you call me name. Bro, I want him to tell you, you don't know where you put yourself in. You see me, so don't make no man boots if you call me name. You know screen record I want you. You see the selector boy, me say I call me name for screen record. But me a batty boy dog and you know me from nowhere, bro. Bro, remember me a youth, you know, bro. Me a young youth, you know, bro. A China dog. Me a ghetto youth, bad man. A man come here, bro. Me never say me not do wrong for reach me there, you know. Me call, me come here and me mix up people for when me reach me there. But me never say, hey, nothing wrong with that. Cause me, so, but don't make no man program if you call me name, bro. If you call me name, you call me name off your own. You make a man program if you call me name. They call me batty boy. Three a man, three a man they on me live where you no rate me. You fat buy out man thing. And they call me batty boy. Bad man, me no want a man to call me name, bro. On the top, follow me up, bro, cause me a evil youth, dog. A badness me pray in the dog. So if you don't feel like saying no go call me name and he go so. Alright, go and call me name, little boy. No worry yourself, man. No go and call me name. On the top, follow me.
Alright, so people, let me know what you think in the comment section. I scold you, you've been warned, don't call Blamdem name. You know say Blamdem are look a bad boy. You see me, and he can get people to do things, so be careful. You know what I mean? They want to not call him name again. Also, more people want to tell me what they think. If him show him face, he will get the level of support he might get right now, or the face it will drop or it will get more. Let me know what you think in the comment section.
Follow man. Just stop call up my name. You see me now support my music, and I don't know if I go do. So look, select a boy, you take a call me name, I can't play my song when me drop. Play my song for your bumbuckler platform. You know if they call me name. Cause same like how that them man they had you, me can't add you to you, bro. So you know if they diss me for clout. Cause same how that them man they add up on your life, me add up on my life too. So I regular day dog. So you know if they go on like say dog. Ray, me add up on my life. You see me? Me add up on my life too. So you go on like say Ray. Me add up on my life too. So you know if you go on like say Ray. You see me? Me add up on my life. Nothing wrong. So you know if they did me so bro. Just start doing the things so bad man like I say Ray. Me add up on my life too bad man. Yeah, select a boy with they call me name. Man I call me name for nothing at all bad man. I kind of batty man. Don't call me name bro. Top call me name bad man. But people, listen more to do. I just want to go stream a song and thing, man. You see me? Yeah. Select a boy, top call me name, bro. Cause I don't know if I know that. Me and I nothing bad, man. Top buy up, man, beef. You see me? And me and no man that even no beef neither. Just bad man and bad man. And them alone want to run it up. Cause see me say them a keep be a competition there. They keep be a little competition. Like they want to say, yo, they come back for up. Bro, me not own it up in a bro. Me not say me run up in a bro. Me just want to know say me big panny up. If you want me big panny up, bro, me alright. Me not feel the run up. Me just want to know say me big panny up. Me not feel the run up, you know. Me not feel the run up, bro. Me no want to run up, bro. Me just want to know say me big have a platform and me clip me live. People are gonna watch me. That's all me want to know. Me want to know say me clip me live. People are gonna watch me. That me want to know. Me big already. Me no need fear run up. Who want run it up can run it up, bro. Me not bad mind no man, bro, for them platform. If you want run it up, you run it up. Me no care. But once me big and when me keep me live, me I get me support of them. Me no care who want run it up, bro. Anybody can run it up. But once me big and have me support of them, me alright with that. Me and my people me can support me. Me a hold it a gifter. If me play a match right now, me sure I win. Cause me gifter them I can shoot for me. Like me match we are coming 28. Me people me can shoot for me. So me no need no man for a bum buckler fight against me or bad mind no man. Yeah man, that one a healthy man. How much day now me no come live? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5. 3 day out of belch. That belch I fi add up for 3 day me no come live. Yeah man. Paper, you see that belch, me just belch. I fi add up for 3 day them when me no come live. Yeah man. Moving forward. Alright, people, let's go on. Just big up on yourself, people. Me I come back live tomorrow or later, tomorrow night. Me I show myself. Me have a big thing. Watching the people, listen. You have a Blamdem. We have one competition at one. Richard challenge. You see Tamley song me produce. Richard, man, Richard. Ice on my wrist. Look here. Ice on my wrist. Ice in my mouth. Yeah, me have a challenge at one feet. Anybody will make listen more on the people. On the screen record this year. Cause same like how me can come chat people business and chat mix up on the screen record and send you out. Go on the screen record this year and send you out. Cause money me I give it. Me I give it 1,000 US for do it. Me I go do a video. If anybody do a video better than me, I get 1,000 US. All if you don't have money, can me I go cut. If the man when no real money can use leaf. Anybody when no real money can use leaf and paper. I'll fake money. Any kind of money you wanna have. A leaf you can pick off a tree and use. You don't have to use the real money. And to make a video, if a 2-piece of chain, dog chain, you know, can put on the neck. You put it on the neck and do a challenge. You see me? Anybody, I will vote panning. I want to say man go make vote and say who win the challenge. Anybody will do a challenge the best on TikTok will get 1,000 US. I will go vote to see who I win. Now if a video go more viral and get more views and do the best so people like, will get 1,000 US. And if I want dog chain on the neck, just come see a Richard, just come dance this song and do something to make people like it and vote for you and make you get it 1,000 US. So the challenge I go on that's from tomorrow, I go start it. So I go make a video about it and I come live tomorrow and show myself. You see me people? Yeah man, cause presidential compound man. Remember you know, we no hungry no. Cause me the hungry, me don't come every day come beg. Yeah, me have me limit pan begging. Me a bossy beggar. Yeah. Yeah man, me a bossy beggar people. Bossy beggar, yeah. So you are going now people, so you are going now. You have to deal me different, cause me a bossy beggar. But me I say people, you want to do, me just want to just pull up, you know, shut up full up man. broke mega done gold ball, broke your chip in the head. Hey, me say I don't look a boy, I follow me up and they call me name. Me say, me sorry for you, know. Cause me, I gotta go with you, not me. I me cool, you know. I don't think me a good somebody for you. I don't go on, man. Me trouble, no, man. Me trouble, no. Me look problem with you, know. I say, if I don't miss someone, I win, me do. Me take it to a different level, pussy. So I don't go on take me a good somebody. I don't go on follow. Cause I could not see what me do. I don't go on, man. Me sick mentally, you know. I tell you already, you know. Me mental sick. You know, Jarrett Lane badness. You know about Jarrett Lane? Eh? You know about Jarrett Lane, you know about Mobby, you know about delinquent man them. Delinquent. Eh? You know it's delinquent. You know about Jarrett Lane. Eh? You know about Flanker. Eh? You know about 5150 golf. Alright. Wanna go and ramp the system, bottom pen. Wanna go on, man, no worry yourself. Go and follow up a thing, man. You look a batty boy. And I'll be now looking up. Come in all
Alright, Blamdem. Yeah, say I call you if you stop follow you up and them something there. Remember how you billionaire me na dog. You say me and say you can't do the same thing what your man do you and you go feel offended or feel some type of way with the man that say certain things, boy. You remember say you come see a lot about people, you know, me now say you there tell a lie upon them, you know often you ain't name there. Prove it say a truth or lie you tell. The barrel party the real dog, yes the barrel them never send down, so the party a truth. But a whole heap of people you bring down me G. You see me, so you have to take somebody too. And I school you, him not really say nothing that bad about you. You know what I mean? He must say some things, yes we sound away, but him not go too hard for you like he might bring you down in the wickedest way. You see, people make me know what they think. We watch some more.
No badness, you know. I'm only me I did. You see me a real youth. Green pan, Mobby, Birchill badness. But you know it's Birchill. You know, hear them a ball. I say, yo, can't them come from Birchill and hey boy, you think people don't know that? Yeah, man. I don't go on, man. You know about Birchill? You know about 51 rifle and 50 handgun. Eh? I don't go on, man. I'm not following up, you know. You know about Falmouth, race course. You know go on, man. Like you know, say my dog pan the life. You know go on play with my friend them and play the thing, man. You know go on, man. You know have pain no man. You know about Fort Lauderdale, Miami. Eh? You know about Fort Lauderdale, Miami. You know about Bronx, New York. You know about Man is part of big up yourself, you know, man, a code. Bronx, New York, you know about Miami. You know about Trinidad, Beaton, 7 up. Listen, go and go listen to Skeng disappear season, man. Go and go listen it. Go and go listen to Skeng disappear season. A violence we are dealing with, man. Who are dealing with violence? Come. Violence we are dealing. Who are dealing with violence? Come. People, anybody who know Bronx, New York, comment, you know about Tampa. Tell them again, Tampa, New York. Big up my dog, them and Tampa. Big up yourself, you know. Gully side, you know. No violence, yeah, man, people. But you know, I sang, man, I sang, me I sing. Me not did no violence, people. Me not did no violence, man. I sang, me I sing, man. You see me? I don't know violence, me I did. I sang, me I sing. I hear my song say, violence me I deal with. Who I did violence? Come. Them boy, they not bad at all. The last man, this. I sang, me I sing. You see me, people? I don't know, you know that serious. You see me? People and music me I did, man. Me not did no violence. But me just want some people know say, stop follow me up there, cause me not trouble them. Cause me do nothing do fuckery. They love it. Me oh, money God, big up yourself in a money God. Yeah, man. I wait there, me say, boy, money God, me don't know how Shalam come and follow me up, you know. Cause wait there, the man go touch his shoulder and shit up in pants and come a ball. Yo, Blamdem, I'll take you up too, serious. Blamdem, I'll take you up too. Shalam, you go on, man. Me not worried, alright? Shalam, boy, me don't know, boy, me don't know what's wrong with them. You know, me feel like something wrong with Shalam. Cause wait there, man, him touch his shoulder and say, yo, listen to me. I want Blamdem badness. I mean, I don't know how him come still call me name. Boy, Shalam, me don't know. Boy, God go with you. But come in and go with your blood clot. I gotta go with you. Cause me say, Shalam, me tell you something. He's a powerful youth. A whole heap of people love me. People love me at Mobby. People love me at Kingston. People love me at Old Harbour. A whole heap of place people love me. I tell you. I feel like me know so much about all that thing. Cause people love me at Old Harbour. A whole heap of place people love me. Spanish Town. So Shalam, you will call me name and man, take you out of proportion and do your things. So if you know what good for you, because sometimes, you know, remember say me no answer phone, you know. So my friend them call me, we all say and call me and say, yo, Blamdem. You know, say Bumbuckler, Shalam there, so. Sometimes me no answer them in time. If you tell them, say, left him alone, man, he good. Because we there, you see me? So you better stop your fuckery. So behave yourself, youth. Behave yourself. Behave. Yo, me say, yo, what me I say now? We like it, Brownstone. Big up Brownstone Center, man. I mean, man. Brownstone, big up Brownstone. Big up Brownstone. Big up Brownstone. People listen to me, no go support the music, man. The music we are deal with. Support the song. Everybody comment where they come from. People, we now watch who are run down your app, you know. Remember, some man live off our app, you know. Some man hungry and live off our app, so we now watch them. So when we see them a war free spotlight, we never watch them, because them hungry, you know. So they have to war free app, because they hungry. Me now have to war free the app. Yeah, man, big up Grangeville, big up Spanish Town, New Jersey, Bambo, St. Thomas, Flanker, Jarrett Lane, Mobile, Portmore, Bullbear, Maypen, Trinidad, Tobago, St. Elizabeth, Spoilers, Craigtown, Mobile, Ochi, Portmore, Maxfield, Michigan, Augustown, Seaview, Gaza, Linstead, Granville, Almantown, Eastside, Papine, Bumbuckler, Atlanta, St. Kitts, South, Bumbuckler, people all over the world watch me, man. Maypen, Eastside, St. Vincent, St. James, Canada, Bumbuckler, Hanover, Brooklyn, Flatbush. Yeah, man, big up Brooklyn, man. Denham Town. Bumbuckler, be people there, man. Alright, people, easy now. Me can't manage so much comment. Me can't read them. Me can't read good enough. Alright, big up in my dog, them, you know, man. Ersker, big up, you know, man. Code, Yangbang, big up yourself, you know, man. Yangbang, big up yourself. Yeah, man. Code, man. Big up my dog, them. Big up in my dog, them. Fort Lauderdale. Delinquent, big up yourself, you know, man. Delinquent, big up my dog, them at Tampa. Yeah, man. Yo, you know, stream record this say, yo, listen to me, big up yourself, man. Hold on, my dog, them. Code, pa. 4 in a face and 8 in a body. Empress, Bumbuckler, Empress, big up yourself, Empress, if you come to your live video, come bless you. Big up yourself, Empress, thank you for your will. Empress, watch you now. Remember, say me have the official match at 28. They me and them a plan to take me down. So you have to save a gift them.
But me will take accountability for call them name. Because I see all the people call them name and about them, but I show me a million for it. So you won't, them won't hear me for call them name again. I wish I had medic for me. I won't call them name again. Like it's just crazy. Say if me come say to the people them money and rent car and the people them on social media have it say something. Why you even give a fuck about that? Because who were comment and I said the most they did not give any money. Even if the sponsor did give money and you fix car with it. Why you vex about it? Because I know the sponsor have a problem. I'm just saying even if it did go up for true. If a sponsor them not texting, have a problem with it and the people them in the comment section. Why it bother so much when people have to say and them never put no money to it. That's why I'm not bother with that show. You come in the only money me for company you come beg for is me. Not beg money for give people. Sorry. Not beg money for give people.
Alright, so why people, as me said, these people on TikTok is like them when it comes to like them friendship flippy floppy in a way. You see me? Raja him always is a man with vocal about certain things. You know what I mean? Ivany love your opinion on certain things also. But you say if you have a friend, you have to know how that person is, what will trigger off that person, or what you can say, and them just make that slide. You know what I mean? So, based on what I've already said, people, we're going to watch some more still, but tell me what you think in the comment section.
I don't give a fuck. People have to go find way beg for themselves. And for the look of something, I say, I go come show no for make the money, but nah, bother do it. Fuck no. I not show no girl and no boy for make no blood clot money. Sorry. Learn off on own or go do on the do bar one that get no money from day one. Can't go. Don't take out the clothes them out I China. Alright. And the fact that Roger take it so serious. I sleep, you know, and Roger ring down my phone just to ask about social media, you know. Me see phone a ring, but me never got answer if I wake up my son, because me and my son did a sleep. And my phone a ring like somebody I did that when me look for the message and realize there's something with social media. Like, people just so sensitive, bro. I may get what I must say, but at the comments them you read, and I listen to what people I say, I'm vexed. But as I say, I will take accountability for calling him name, my love you want again. Sorry. What happened again? I have a new company, I can call him again.
So, on the matter of Cartel performance, I can see how he's growing, you know, after being locked away for so long. I never expect the man to come out and just nail it. See? I expect him to go through, you know, a length of time to get back his health, his breathing, in vocals, back in top shape. Yeah, I expect it's gonna take some time. But him have the songs then when he can go out and perform until him get to that stage. See? Health-wise, breathing control-wise, fitness-wise, yeah. But, however, he must not be tempted or feels pressured into having people in his performances that handicaps his performances. Because I remember, you know, him a build back. And when you're building, you have to make sure, say, nobody's pulling you back. When you're building, see? You have to ensure, say, nobody's pulling you back. It's important. And in my opinion, MC Nuffy is pulling back Vybz Cartel's performance. He doesn't know timing. He doesn't sound good on the stage. His ad-libs are corny. He sound like a rat or a puss on a hot roof. You know, with a sun hot roof. You know, him just sound annoying, very annoying on the stage. And trust me, it might sound all right in the venue because there's a lot of noise and, you know, the environment is different. But on the internet, when we listen back to it, Vybz Cartel and TJ, it's horrible. It's horrible, bro. So when MC Nuffy calls out Vybz Cartel, because we don't want to stop him food, when he calls out Cartel, you take away his microphone. You give him back a microphone when Cartel finishes performance. And MC Nuffy go out there. Thank you all so much for coming out. You've been great. I love you all. We'll see you soon. Jane, that's Nuffy role, in my opinion. Or what I would do if I check for him so much. See? So Cartel just have to get somebody where no timing, we have a good vocal, because Cartel, you're not a regular artist, brother. You have to understand that, brother. And because we love music, why we are telling this, bro. You're not a regular artist, bro. See, people are mentioning the same sentence as Beyonce, bro. They can't mention the same sentence as Beyonce and have MC Nuffy tearing down your shows, bro. It cannot work, bro. And here we go on. When you do well, it benefits we too, brother. Because money are pumping at the industry. Promoters have more money to spend, and then book we. Because them know so we go up on the stage and we go give the people them a good show. See? Then book Capleton, then book Ellie, then book Beanie Man, then book Killer them. I just saw the industry work. Money are pumping to the industry. It not only benefit Cartel, it benefit other artists, because the promoters them and the people them have money now to spend in the industry. Big up on yourself. DJ, I know you know the right thing. Take up MC off the mic after I'm called out Cartel.
They hurt him bad though.
It's supposed to hurt him, and you talk about him ownership like the guy in his house them, the one them pan stilt.
How did the house they look?
You know the one them pan column.
You there?
No. The whole of the house up there, so. And they want to go for a long stem. I saw him woman surgery.
What in that storybook?
Yes.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Wow. What she be? A long time you hear that she like woman. Never said she didn't marry to woman.
Then girl, the child of a pastor, the new people they will just get smartphone and guns.
You there? A long time you hear you say it.
You come to the Safina. You good?
It's not like we are come right here, so. Lord Jesus, I'm in the life.
No, I'm not boring it.
Oh, you're not boring it? Alright.
Alright, well people, what Vegas has about MC Nuffy, you know. Well, he might talk some facts, you know, he might talk some truth, you know. Because vybz Cartel are one of the highest paid dancehall artists at the moment. He might the hottest thing in a dancehall at the moment, where people are paying them money for see. Because $1,000 for him tickets them America, and you would have said them have to add a second show. Too much people are buy it. So when I say the situation with Nuffy last night, it kinda, you know what I mean, and now in a way, and it no depend, like you have to know when to ad-lib thing. You have to know timing. You understand? MC Nuffy, him there do him things still, but him bring the energy and everything, but him no know timing, as Mr. Vegas say. Him no know timing, him no know when to make Cartel talk and DJ song, and when not to interrupt on them way. Him just there all over the place to me. You understand? Him go on with himself, you know. You know what I mean? Him go on with himself with a little sit down and talk and know the direction where them are going. That can help the situation, or Cartel get a professional person to do the backup singing and help him out vocally. You understand? Energy wise, Nuffy is the man. You see me, when him and vybz Cartel left on the stage, the energy there, because him a go push vybz Cartel, because we all know same sick. You understand? But him a recover, him a get better and better. You understand me? So I want to tell me what you think in the comment section. I feel like vybz Cartel I go get nobody else to call him out on stage. All him have to do is just sit down and talk to Nuffy and say, yo, maybe you can chat on one thing on the mic, but come on, nobody dip on the stage you know what I mean, interrupt me or
So the people
Listen, supposed to in there you man.
you know.
No,
No, you listen, supposed to in there because we hear what one a crow.
yeah, man, you also have to live in that kind of dark. So the ID is in the nest.
No, sir, no.
So the hard is how you you pull one out two big old one jump push right on the
So what you do?
I just flash from myself so
You run.
you don't really run. But we don't want him to call for me because he keep trying him.
You're afraid of them too.
I don't really feel like we don't want him to touch him.
So if you see one, you can kill him for me, please, and thanks, you're welcome.
Man, I'm on the time, I see them after they see them one night, every night, very back of my window to be like,
Yeah.
everyone can kill them out, man. Because they keep when it takes it, they don't nasty to do that,
Oh, God.
that was we can't take. This is where we go, you know.
They might come through them part, they don't come inside here and I don't like it. And then they might take the color and the shape of the pants.
You see it?
Me I come here TikTok live.
Them somebody say them electrician, Elijah. The King set her up, so can we chat her?
The King do her. No, King can't set her up.
Yes, him set her up, put her up on live with Telco.
A lie.
Yes.
A lie.
Okay.
So what one?
Make we chat her and then she lose her page.
Them do what?
And she lose her page.
How comes?
Then report her page.
Oh my God, King is a slido fox. If I should catch him and put him in a box, lock that box and throw away the key for all his tricks he played at Antidan.
Yep.
No man, Antidan must hurt. So what King she has about it? Cause she do a belly and a wig. What she has about it?
What she fi say? Cause she no learn. People tell her about him already. And she no learn, so she have to just take her beating.
It look like come out of the camouflage in my crosses.
You know what you look for, Shimmy? I look at them, you look for real.
Yeah.
She have to just take her beating and just so it go.
No, that outer other do Antidan lose her page.
Yeah.
Yeah, crosses. Yeah, so Antidan a cussing, come on, you can focus him to it. Shay, you there? Shalam, give me a message for you. Shay, me a talk to your enemy. Me a gone her mouth so she can't chat to you. Me just a wait for her to say something about you and call your name. Yeah. Yeah. Seen the shimmy, him who? Keep him. No, I like that.
I'll trouble you, sit down.
Yeah.
No, listen, they run out already. I'll trouble you.
Shay, what kind of message Shalam give? Forgive me, they don't way Shalam see my video and TikTok liar. Coming up no time for Shay, you know, me I talk to my friend TikTok liar. Yeah. Yeah, TikTok liar, I am a real.
Oh, you are Shalam.
I love Shalam, I love Shalam. You don't like him?
Alright.
No, I like him. Him just did it for my life.
High school, yo. I don't like Shalam, I like high school, yo.
Oh, when you change that in high school, yo.
I didn't like that name though, when you did me high school, yo. I need to sing the song.
I like Shalam.
So you think of a rules about TikTok boss?
What she said about him?
Yeah.
So Rosalie can't say anything. What do you expect from Rosalie?
That's true, you know.
Rosalie can't say anything. Now, he might not always depend live. Eh?
Yeah, true.
When
That's true.
what do you expect from Rosalie?
Him go number one, say no, say become enemy of hers. So that's it.
And I told them on the net. I said to them on the net, anybody will get number one, Rosalie hate them. Yeah, Rosalie hate them. Them say Rose love Batty War. Cause Batty man used to sex her. Remember Tiki say drop off in youth in a Rosalie?
Do you believe that?
Yeah. Well, I believe anything. No, anything. No, really.
In the house. We think that was just cuss.
The boy is serious about it. He might carry that lie along and he not misfan it.
You first me hear him telling that him. You first me hear him tell.
Yeah, and him not misfan it. Him carry that lie along and him stay back to back like him still gonna study it. Yeah, man, that script was made for it. For sure. Did you hear her daughter to her? And
no, man, that is. And she says when she has throw up and I guess she wants her mother to make her some soup with daughter. So I go save the video when you cuss grandma, I go show you. Yes. Because at the same mother, I have to help her when she's sick.
Nah, like, see, if Shanta was my child and I talk to me, so I wipe off my foot in her hole.
But how you must do that and as she create it. So she can do that.
Rosalie creativity strong. That's why we tend them so good there on the internet that Rosalie is a good mother. Rosalie is not a good mother. I want to see the unstitched Teddy, the unstuffed Dolly, Sunshine. I want to see she with people.
Hey, people, me did I tell you already, you know, say, some of the things them where we, like some people, like frown upon, you just say frown upon, where some people have as, disrespectful and no manners, some people, no, pay that no mind are the way how you grow up. Look, Rosalie daughter can disrespect Rosalie. Why? Because Rosalie disrespect for her mother upon a regular in front of her daughter. So her daughter feel like say it's cool, it's okay. You know what I mean? So and them something them I try to tell you say, yo, something where we look upon as messed up, disrespectful are there way there. Enough people look upon it as nothing at all based on how them grow. You understand what I say? So let me know one thing my people. Dan lose our pitch and no star. So how Dan I go communicate with our people them, you know, and them way there. She don't build back an next page still, because people them we follow her. You know what I mean? So we're gonna move on with people. We're gonna watch some more, because we're gonna hear about the barbz situation with she bother to say about barbz interview.
A rugby player, yeah, so you come out like a rugby ball.
She be up and going. Then she get when Mackerel mother come to New York again, come do her surgery.
Mackerel mother?
Yeah. You know, them did set up place for her in New York and something for do her surgery. When that happen?
So really something?
I don't know, me I ask you.
I went to call Mackerel, she not come back.
No, and the Mackerel set it. Oh, they said the 30th. Here they. Oh, the 30th of March. Okay.
Now Mackerel mother fly with my way. I want the Mackerel mother my size.
You know, you have to play like taxi these days. You get green card on the tailway?
No, I'm married. I tell you, I'm married.
Oh, that's why the little boy at Florida I'm mad out. One night I scroll the app and him mad out.
As he should. Yeah.
We say, watch him just left Vegas and him reach Atlanta and look like him get green card. I wouldn't know.
I know some nails, but just go down.
You just got your nails. Let me see them.
Them get over now.
Okay. You know. No matter what is that deal should be.
Like him a wake them up, man. They tell me and them. So you put in the breaker box?
No, never. Wow, that's a good apocada something like Panelo. Panelo, the kind of space in the pan. You think never began like this. But you have that space in the pan, you're too young, that 220 something.
Yeah, so here big appliance. Here the AC, washing machine, dryer.
TikTok liar. That's why she not like you.
The man talk your business. Me could go on the African and the man talk about she be business.
Stop that TikTok liar. Don't say them something because everybody's happy with them something. Don't bother that.
Alright, Shibi, I'm sorry, honey.
I just said to do with she and chat to you, know?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it tomorrow when I'm gone. When I'm gone, you do it.
Oh, I like it for your badass.
When I'm gone, you do it.
Can't pepper spray, because you're not tickers.
Then Shibi. So when you go to Atlanta, you did see a lot of your people them?
No, you know, honestly, when I go to Atlanta, I don't stay in the regular area, you know.
Where you stay?
Buckhead.
Then you for that rob you?
No. We're licensed.
Oh. That's how you roll at Atlanta?
Yeah, honestly.
Stand your ground.
Yeah.
Okay.
Honestly.
Cause Bucket that one nice area, but damn, they probably like it like in the
Come on, you live up
like
there.
here.
You live up there, TikTok, you know, everywhere.
I know everywhere. I want thing, I want thing, my mother make me travel, One thing.
Oh,
I'm well traveled. Well traveled. Yep.
No man. Yeah, so TikTok like tell me the Atlanta. I don't know, flan something. And then this, I think that this. But Rosalie now cost me again and say I'm gonna buy medication. I will move my blood.
You just say I gotta buy medication. Yeah, money then. Yeah, money for Atlanta. You gotta buy medication.
No, because Rosalie is the man in the picture, so that's why she can't. You know, see, Rosalie is the man in the picture, so she can't.
Yeah, there.
Yeah, I finger the panel lip, like what Peter drop out her hole. Yeah, I finger the panel lip. Yeah, she can't talk now. Remember, she full of stories.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah, that's a mother for true. No, me a be for true, but it's not like she can't talk all I know, because me nobody not fight on the main road. Not even my dog, them eat me. Not care my run them a find me. Yeah, so she can't, wasn't in a position for arguing with nobody. Nobody.
That was it too.
Rosalie gonna get a 220.
You know her name, sir?
No, but I can't go and tell about the things that I should know.
And you teach them?
The world dog I come back one day there. I try come back, and the amount of things world dog talk wouldn't make no sense.
In a walking contradiction.
Exactly my point.
He must say leave children and mothers all time. Remember any tell we say I used to go to school, go teach people.
You know, I ask you. You know, you must them learn from the best. Them learn from me.
But like me, I say like, what are you saying?
Ivany, I tell Nicki Minaj, but he might cost my baby. Say my baby retarded.
We never see it. Me hear about that, but we never see it.
Then you can imagine if Nicki Minaj come to me and say, Shalam.
But then, I think she said, tell her says her karma that because she comes the baby too.
No, but I'm just saying, you can imagine if Sister Nicki come to me and say, Shabada, Ivany told me that, you know, you curse about that. Me that's Sister Nicki. Boy, I don't know way to take it for understand. There is nothing in this world that you can say to anybody. For me to stop classing Ivany the way I class her, it has to take Jesus Christ of Nazareth.
Ooh.
So I don't know where you can tell me. No disrespect, Sister Nicki. But it no make no sense you talk to me about it because it now got change. I'm gonna just tell you say, okay, out of respect, and God knows you're gone.
I should
come off of the light and say, Ivany, come suck me. Yeah. I ice know a brother, good ice know say brother make out of fur.
Fur?
Louis. The dog.
So I'm brother?
Yes. In fine Louis cage, him and Louis in there have one piece of reasoning. I forgot to do his homework.
When him start school?
Them have a brotherly bond.
Yo, one thing you know, you see everything you know, not miss you.
I know, it's not like I'm looking, you know.
You don't see.
Just talk to me. You know my chest plate looks like my man beat me in my stomach.
Where am I beat you for? That's a your ring missing.
Vanny said it. Same say Ivany said it. Because she hear me say it. Because she hear me say it. Say I know him brother. The dog would have very well be I stepfather, father. Check the DNA. That's what Ivany for him.
Hey, I want thing, you know. It no matter who she bother beat, you know. Ivany have to get some height, you know. You don't know them mother they are them parents there who from once them a beat and you when you do nothing they close by them a grab you and give you a couple too because them a go remember something where you do where them never lick you for. So then just grab you same time. You see me? Then just grab you same time. Once somebody a get beaten, you a go get somebody once in the near. So at that she bother when him a beat. As long as he will beat somebody, Ivany have to get somebody. So because what's some more people? Why you we must say boy T-boss, you know.
I remember we still Louis and the kids. Remember we still Louis and the kids.
Every time you say that, you traumatize me.
You're traumatized now 2025?
Yeah, every time you say that, you traumatize
In your church?
me. I try to draw closer.
For real. Come on, you tell me something you're traumatized. This is what it is. I can't uncle this. Uncle the altar. Uncle the altar order for have this trailer aid. What do you look like at him? Okay, yeah. So come here, what you say about your trauma? You're traumatized?
Yeah, every time you talk about that.
Internet, so you don't say you're trauma by time,
No man, that like for no say it really happened, like that is crazy. You make all the newspaper, like wow.
Your trauma come with that time, It comes with a time.
So you
you know. Nothing going on. You're going to make you did that whole conversation previously. Come enjoy your Sunday.
how you cook today, Shibi?
Oh God, man. Curry. Like that. I cook curry cow food.
Curry cow food?
Yeah, I cook cabbage and cartel with sweet corn.
What? That's how you go on?
Yeah.
So wait, do you pressure it or you just slow cook it?
Now I'm sear it first.
You sear it and then you pressure it?
Yeah.
Ooh. You not scared of pressure cooker?
Wait, say?
You not scared of pressure cooker?
I'm afraid that for me, I get a flexible kitchen. Me have somebody with flexible kitchen.
That's so good. You put beans in
me
it?
work from a ring finger. One of them,
Domesticated.
yeah, I'm a very industrious man. It's dishwashing liquid.
You put beans in it? You put beans in there?
No, I couldn't find any beans. I don't know why. Where are my beans? I can't find them.
Then she be where RT showing Batty again.
Then come here now with my phone there. I don't want to show it on the live because TikTok will block me. I say RT bottom one neprozone gel. Them bum they want burn off, scrape off, and rub off. I want them what dust up in bottom.
No, but it look better than the last time though.
Like him I work on it though.
Yeah, it look much better than the last time.
Yeah, it's like the bum them I go up in the hole.
RT says she be RT say make her open up the hole so you can see no touch.
RT boss can't tell about all the touch after all the remote don't look now.
Yo,
All the remote don't look now here. RT boss could have never trick me when he got skin out pan queen.
Yo, RT.
I will not say pan queen he got skin out. He got tight now open up.
Yo, me I tell her say me say they send me the video and never tell me no one, you know.
Me say, hey, RT boss gone in, I don't know what kind of summons him take out for spies. But that now go nowhere. Because any lie with own RT boss must give up.
But Chibi, you don't think a part of the story?
Eh?
A part of the story.
Well,
It's a part of it. Everything is a part of it.
I say, RT boss both him going to open up his body and show say no touch. He going to open up and tighten up so he might move the jaw and tighten up so he might quit as hard as he can. I hope him not get stroke when him done. When him done quit, I hope him not get stroke. I hope him pressure not rise.
No man, RT come moon everybody.
Me say, you a big dirty obia man. You have to bend over.
It is not a obia man.
Okay.
It is a spiritual
Him too spiritual. Him for drink the island vibe.
They never see Tasha K promote himself.
Oh God, Mr. Without him from Tasha K. Tasha K confused. Tasha K confused.
Yeah, but it was good promotion though.
No, it was wasted because she just said, this is an income. Nobody can give no traction. This is an income. And I know that I used to do this for her. Me say, so Tasha K, when I tell Tasha K spin.
Well, time she roll out her camera.
Tasha K give up. Tasha K give right up. Me say them give Jamaica a bad name and
Me say me laugh on the whole interview. Me say, Auntie, that you see that?
Me never laugh for the whole interview because me I wonder if Jamaican people really mad.
Them same neighbor run him down this morning. Here they.
I tell you, say bybz should never come for Keith Shabada Ramsey. I tell bybz this. I say bybz, do not come for Keith Shabada Ramsey because it's not a nice thing. I always tell people this, TikTok liar. You see, we do not challenge everybody else out over the world. Do not challenge me. Because God here will not plan for me. I will not sleep. God here will not plan for me. bybz should have stay as spies. I tell him never to come for me. bybz tell me already, say with book a coconut.
Alright, so people, Missy Momo did make a post, I think yesterday, about bybz body, right? And I say, why him show it, whatever, and she put an emoji over it and put up the picture. See, so me the thing say at a long time when him did show him body again. Oh, blood clot, boy. Artist, a man will do him want whenever him want or him want, and but business about nobody still, That's all me can say. You see me, but for a big man and promote yourself as a spiritual advisor. The people them where you promote yourself to, it's like them are gonna see them thing they are not gonna work with you because they must say this man are careless. What kind of something they may go out with? You see me? I don't know, man. I don't know. Tell me what you think with people. I want some more.
For me, I'm say RT anytime you're ready, I'm glad you tell me this. Him should have never come for me. bybz a room like him mad. Me tell you, bybz a room like him mad. Me tell you this. Anybody at all. Remember me no wrestle against flesh and blood, Me no wrestle against flesh and blood. Me tell RT this, me say from the day RT call my phone and say I got broke coconut for me. Me tell bybz something, Me tell bybz something. My hurting feeling.
Hurting feelings?
Me not like my hurting feelings bad.
You have that.
It's like your pot drop.
No, my mother in the kitchen.
Oh, your mother, you want to keep something?
A Sunday.
Oh, alright. Jesus have mercy. You never realized it today Sunday?
Yeah, Sunday.
I never, TikTok liar forgive me, I never realized it today Sunday.
Can I pray today?
I did. I can't go through the day without praying, but I pray every day, so a Sunday I don't need to pray for.
You haven't done it. You pray extra hard Sunday. You pray extra hard Sunday.
Oh, the Lord, TikTok liar, said to me.
You pray extra hard Sunday because you have to start the week positive.
It's true.
You have to pray extra hard Sunday, man.
I pray extra hard every day because I have to wrestle with the internet.
How about, you look like you pray for about half hour morning time to have 45 minutes. You just have worship.
No, I don't do that. I don't.
You know?
It's not like getting a duty done. I don't practice that. You see, I have grown to understand that it's a personal relationship between you and Almighty God. And what I've noticed is that being in Christendom, a lot of persons believe that you have to pray this long prayer. You understand me? Mm-hmm. Praying all this long prayer, it keeps you away from God. You understand me? But having a relationship with God it means that you talk to him without even thinking that you are praying unto him. You understand? So you could be going to the shop, you're saying something unto God, but it's you and God having such a communication. You're coming back from the shop. You understand me? You're going to bathe, you're going to wash your clothes. It's you and God having that conversation and that relationship. So when persons say that I'm taking 12 minutes out of my day, that's a ritual, my darling. That's a ritual. That it is no different from what the obeah does or the demon worshiper. That's a ritual. Having a personal relationship with God means that you find comfort in him by talking to him about things you would talk to anyone about. You
basically just you don't have a set time. You just talk whenever you feel like.
Me I got a relationship. I set no time.
Okay. No, and that makes sense.
I set no time, and I think it's something that a Christian need to grow to understand. You understand me that we often do rituals. You get what I'm saying? Instead of having a relationship. Because me and you culture in a weird Sunday, it's the Lord's day. And this is what we do on a Sunday. We try hard not to play in the dance hall. We try to play dance hall like 5 o'clock. We start with some old hits until it reaches the night. These are rituals. These keep you away from the truth. But when you develop a relationship, you allow God to direct your path. So people that say, oh, you believe so you're a Christian because you have the Spirit of God living within you, but also God put you in this world so you know where I'm going to use, what kind of characteristic I'm going to use to suffice you. So a lot of times we're train Christians to walk like we're aliens. So when aliens start come out now, we don't have no work. When he's smoking, and you know your father smoke. But you come out and the pan, no, don't smoke in front of me, I'm a child of God. And you know you have it in your house, so how can I read that you have on a bush? That smell like bush. What you say? The man God keep him safe and him satisfied. So you say article, them never know so when God save him just change you like that. God using character for bless others.